Together with the supplier control module comes something called the supplier portal. And the purpose of the supplier portal is that it's a safe place where you can let your suppliers complete some of the work online in a secure place. And like I said earlier, the supplier portal works together with the supplier control module. So they're kind of other sides of the same coin, you could say. So in this example, we're looking at the supplier portal and we're going to see what the supplier actually sees. So they've logged into SafeView 360 as your supplier, and you can see the top, very top row shows that it's the supplier portal of your company, and they are immediately shown the jobs that are due. It's the most simple user interface there could be, basically. They log in and they see a to-do list saying that, okay guys, here's a corrective action that needs to be addressed, and here's a self-assessment that you need to complete. Couldn't be much easier than that. If you go to the top bar, you see there is a couple of modules where they can go in the supplier portal. There's one for audits and corrective actions. There's one for shipments where they can work on products that they're shipping to you. And then there is specifications where they can upload specifications. And finally, there's contacts where they can manage all the contacts to their organization. So let's take a quick look at the audits tab. You can see that you will find when they log into this module, they will see completed and current audits and corrective actions, just in a simple list showing what has been done and what needs to be done. If you go to shipments, you will see a list of all the different receiving records in SafeView 360 that have been associated with this particular supplier. They can see the shipment, which shipment it was about, which product it was about, and they can also see the result of that shipment. For example, if there was a let's say you were shipping raw material to this company and there was a failed result, you somehow delivered a faulty product, you would be able to access that record here if the company has decided to give you access. Under the specification, we can see the company has downloaded 2 documents to SafeView 360, and this is a great way for you to manage all the specifications that you need to get from your supplier. So you can just tell them, hey guys, you need to upload this and this document into SafeView 360. Log into the supplier portal, go to specifications and upload all your documents there, and we can review them then. And finally, under the contacts tab, we don't have time to look, but the supplier could manage their contact details so that they're up to date. So let's review the benefits shortly. So number one thing is that delegation saves everybody's time. There's no dual work anymore. So if you need to get some information from your suppliers, you can get all of that through the supplier portal. And it's good to know that, in the background, there are automatic alerts keeping both you and your supplier up to date. So when a corrective action is raised in the supplier portal, a text message will arrive at the supplier's phone saying that, hey, you need to address this. Or if a supplier completes a self-questionnaire, you will receive a text message saying, hey, supplier ABC has completed a self-questionnaire, go review it. So this is really a really great benefit, saving you lots of time. And then finally, you can completely eliminate paperwork from something that used to be such a hassle. You used to have to be sending Word documents here and there. Hey, fill in this document, send it back to me. There's none of that anymore. You can conduct all of that through the supplier control module and the supplier portal. I think it's a great example of how SafeView 360 and the different modules just bring it all together.